Did you know that 1 in 5 people who are HIV positive in Baltimore City don't even know their status?
Well, it's these kinds of numbers that have health officials saying we have an epidemic on our hands. ABC 2 News' Katrina Bush joins us right now with education. That could be the answer. Katrina?
Yeah, Jamie and Kelly, experts say awareness is key. So many people, especially young people, feel like they're immune to medical problems, but that's obviously not the reality for a growing number in Baltimore City. It's no longer a fatal diagnosis. The face of it has changed over the years, but HIV and AIDS still a major problem in 2015.
We in Baltimore City, like other urban cities across the U.S., have HIV as a significant problem that is an epidemic.
An epidemic affecting 13,000 people in the city. Health Commissioner Dr. Lena Wen says an overwhelming majority of them are African American.
Especially when it comes to diagnosis, but also when it comes to deaths from HIV. African Americans are 5 times more likely to die from HIV/AIDS than their white counterparts, which is a huge disparity.
Dr. Wen says there needs to be a focus on testing and education. The same for Mayo McClinton, who's been living with HIV since 2005. He says his work as an outreach specialist at Light Health and Wellness has become his passion.
A lot of schools don't have that health piece as they did back in the day. So a lot of young black African Americans now don't really know or really unaware of HIV, like what it really can do and what it really is. So they get their education built off the stigma that they hear from word of mouth.
I feel like, if another young person like myself gets involved with what's going on with HIV and pass it out to the community, I can help.
And the theme for this year's National Black HIV/AIDS Awareness Day is I am my brother and sister's keeper, fight HIV and AIDS.
And that says to me that we are all at risk, we all have to get tested, we all have to get educated, and we have to protect each other.
It's out there. The information is definitely out there. You just gotta be able to grab it and look beyond the stigma.
And Dr. Wen will be speaking at the National Black HIV/AIDS Awareness Day event. That is at Mondawmin Mall this Saturday from 12 to 4. The day includes free health screenings. Katrina Bush, ABC 2 News.